Hi, my name is Andy Kolar and welcome to the PAS classroom. Today we're talking about musicianship. It can be very easy for us as directors to only talk to our percussion section in terms of being too loud or too soft. But we really should strive to talk about all the same things that we talk about the rest of the ensemble. We should talk about articulation, we should talk about note length, we should talk about tone. We want to make sure we help them down that path, so here are some things that you could try. If I have a passage with the ensemble that maybe is using a very pointed ta syllable, I could have my snare drummer play close to the middle and play with a very quick, articulate stroke to match. If I have a tambourine and I want something to be a little bit drier, I can hold it horizontally. I could play in the direct middle to get more articulation. If I want it to have more resonance, I could hold it vertically and make sure I get my hand off of the head so everything rings a little bit longer. If I'm playing concert bass drum, if something has a dark, broad passage, I can remove muffling and maybe play a little bit off center and use a little bit more arm to get a darker, broader sound. If I have something that I might need a little bit more articulation with, I could add muffling, maybe use a slightly smaller mallet and play in the direct middle. The more we talk to our percussion section musically, the more they'll treat their parts more musically. And that's today's lesson from the PAS classroom.